So here it is, the Vanguard Alta 68 camera backpack, and it is a heavy bag when it's fully loaded. The good thing I find with this bag is that you've got the straps on the front to attach your tripod, which can adjust, and you've also got the pocket at the bottom for the feet of the tripod to sit in to take some of the weight, and that simply then just tucks under there nice and safe. Like I say, you've got these straps which are all adjustable, so depending on the size of the tripod or your walking poles. And then if we start with the front of the bag, we've got a little zip here which has got an extra clip-in to put strap to put around your tripod, but I just use this one for keeping the plates for my tripod and little tools and such. Then just behind you've got a bigger pocket which has got a little zip area, and in there I keep my keys and things like that. And then you've got the SD card holders, which is, you've got the green one for unused and the red one for used. So that's quite handy, keeps everything organised. And then just behind there you've got some mesh pockets where I keep my batteries for easy access. Then if we go to the side, you've got this neoprene fabric, which is great for keeping your flask in that little pouch there, easy to get. You've also got hooks again on this, straps on this side, and if you want to put a smaller tripod or a monopod down there, you can do quite easily. Go around to the other side, we've got this carry handle, which is quite good if you're in and out, sort of taking it in and out your car and travelling, but I'm not going to use that because I'll snag on a tree. And then just under there you've got a nice zipped up pouch where I keep my filters, my cables and all that sort of thing. So they're nicely tucked away, nice and safe, and it's all padded around it. Then if we go to the back, we've got breathable padded areas around the hips, the lower back, and also on top of the shoulders and the straps themselves, which are really padded and breathable again. So really good comfort there. Here we've got an adjuster that allows you to adjust the shoulder straps to a height what's comfy for you. And then we go onto the top itself here. Now all the zips have got these big lugs, which are really good if your fingers are cold and you're fumbling about. You can just grab them and open things up. Straight into the top of the bag, and here is a 200 to 500 lens with the body attached, and it fits absolutely snuggy in there. So once it's in, you've got the padded top, and nice and easily just zip it up with the big lugs on the zip. And then here we've got the back access point, which goes about 2/3 of the way up, and once you open this you've got ample room for all your gear inside, and you've got a little pouch on the flap there which you can put a laptop in, and then again nice big lugs just to grab and zip it all up. And that's pretty much it on the back. You've got the strap there where you can put it on like a rolling suitcase or something if you're travelling through the airports and railway stations. But the material of it is really good, and I'm just going to mention this bottom bit, which I think's really good idea, and it's a really strong material which is waterproof, and this allows you to put your bag down on the muck or wet ground, and it protects your stuff inside as well as prolonging the life of the bag. And then one more little thing which is tucked away here is the rain cover. Now the rain cover is really good because it's very big and it covers the entire bag, whereas I know some bags I've had in the past don't quite cover it, but this does a brilliant job, and it just tucks away straight back under into the little flap behind the back panel there. And that's it, all nicely tucked away. And I know I'm going to get many years out of this bag because I've used Vanguard before, and it's now a brand that I can trust 100%.